Hello everyone. Today we have started lecture number 6 and unit 1. Let's start the theorem. Theorem is a if Lm and L dash M dash are the direction coefficients of two direction at a point P on the surface, and theta is the angle between the two direction at a point P, then prove that cos theta is equals to E L L L dash plus f of L M dash plus L dash into M plus G into M dash. This is 1, and prove that again 2. Sin theta is equals to H of L into M dash minus L dash M. तर आपल्याला प्रूफ करायचं आहे. दोन आपल्याला डायरेक्शन कोएफिशियंट्स दिलेले आहेत. सपोज दिस इज अ R1 अँड दिस इज अ R2. हे दोन डायरेक्शन कोएफिशियंट आहेत एकाच पॉईंटवर, दॅट इज पॉईंट P, अँड द थीटा इज द अँगल बिटवीन द टू डायरेक्शन. This is theta between the two direction at the same point P. Then prove that the cos theta and sin theta. Okay. So let's prove. Proof is if Lm and L dash M dash are the direction coefficient of the two direction at the same point P. एकाच पॉइंटवर दोन डायरेक्शन दिलेले आहेत. On the surface of area is r bar is equals to r bar of uv. Then the corresponding unit vector along the direction at P are these two relation. हे दोन रिलेशन आपण कुठून घेतले? बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ डायरेक्शन्स कोएफिशियंट. तिथे आपण पाहिले होते, जर एखादा युनिट वेक्टर असेल तो टँजेन्शियल प्लेनला असेल तर आपण त्याला असं लिहिलं होतं की युनिट वेक्टर इज इक्वल्स टू L is equals to L R1 plus M R2. याने आपण त्याला रिप्रेझेंट केलं होतं. B is equals to, so unit vector B is equals to L R1 plus M R2 by this direction coefficient. Then we have the two relations. A is equals to L R1 plus M R2 and A dash is equals to L dash R1 plus M dash R2. This is equation 1. And next, let theta be the angle between the two directions. theta पण सुद्धा काय आहे? दोन डायरेक्शन मधला अँगल आहे. मेजरिंग theta, this is theta, measuring theta from the directions from R1 to R2 through the smaller angle we have. जर दोन angle, this is directions R1 and this is R2 and this measure by angle P. जर या दोन डायरेक्शन मधला आपल्याला स्मॉलर अँगल घ्यायचा असेल, देन आपण लिहितो वी हॅव A डॉट प्रोडक्ट विथ A बार इज इक्वल्स टू कॉस थीटा अँड A क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विथ A बार इज इक्वल्स टू साइन थीटा N बार. हे आपण या रिलेशनवरून लिहू शकतो. डॉट प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे कॉस थीटा अँड क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे साइन थीटा. देन नाव, सो ए डॉट प्रोडक्ट विथ ए बार इज इक्वल्स टू पुट द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ ए अँड ए बार. सो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए मीन्स L R1 प्लस M R2 अँड डॉट प्रोडक्ट विथ पुट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए बार, दॅट इज L R1 प्लस M बार L bar R1 plus M bar R2. This is the values of A bar from equation 1. Okay. So this is the dot product. Calculate it. L R1 into L bar R1, that is L bar R1 into R1 square plus L R1 into M bar R2, that is L M bar R1 R2, next plus this term into this, so m L bar R1 R2, and again m into m bar, that is m into m bar, and R2 into R2, that is R2 square or R2 dot product with R2, this term, that is R2 square. Okay, so by the fundamental coefficients, R1 square means E, R1 dot product with R2 means what? F, and R2 square means G. So by the fundamental of coefficient, the R1 square, the values of E and L into L bar is as it is, plus R1 dot product with R2 means F. So and again R1 dot product with R2 means F. So F in both two terms, F is common. Then we have get L into M bar plus L bar M, and R2 dot product with R2 means G, and M into M bar is as it is. This is equation 3. In using equation 2, in equation 3 we get, so cos theta is equals to E L bar plus F of L M bar plus L bar M plus G of M into M bar. Using equation 2 in 3 we get this term. So this is a first proof of this theorem. First proof. So let's start second proof. This is a first proof. Okay. Let's start second proof. Further, A cross product with A bar is equals to, put the values of A and cross product with A bar. So the value of A cross product with value of A bar. Since जर दोन सिमिलर व्हेक्टरचा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट घेतो, म्हणजे काय करतो, दोन सिमिलर व्हेक्टरचा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट घेतो म्हणजे आपण दोघांचा डिटर्मिनंट सॉल्व्ह करतो, आणि जर दोन्ही रो एका डिटर्मिनंटमध्ये जर सेम असेल तर त्यांचा डिटर्मिनंट हा 0 असतो. सो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ R1 विथ R1 is equals to cross product of R2 is equals to 0, means both two determinant are 0. So we have cross product of A cross product with A bar is equals to, in bracket, L M bar minus M L bar in common R1 cross product with R2. So by using determinant means put the values of A is L R1 and L, इथे सॉल्व करतो, L R1 and L R1 M R2, L bar R1 and M bar R2. Solve this determinant. So L M bar minus M L bar, R1 R2 in all this term is common, so R1 cross product with R2, and so A bar cross product with A bar is equals to L M bar minus M L bar is equals to NH, and the values of R bar cross product with R2 means the values of NH, then as it is NH. So using R1 cross product with R2 is equals to NH, the above equation becomes A cross product with A bar is equals to L of M bar minus M L bar in bracket of NH. So using equation 2 in 4 we get, so the value of A bar cross product with A bar means sin theta n bar, and this n bar and this n bar is cancel, so sin theta is equals to L M bar minus M L bar over H. This is a second proof. Okay, and where H is equals to, by the fundamental of coefficient, under root of Eg minus F square. This is a second proof. and one more added one extra proof when the two directions are orthogonal. जर दोन डायरेक्शन्स हे एकमेकांना ऑर्थोगोनल असेल तर देन कॉस थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0. जर कॉस थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0 असेल विच गिव्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ डायरेक्शन कोइफिशियंट, तर दिस इज इक्वेशन ए. जर कॉस थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 0 असेल तर इक्वेशन ए बिकम्स, आपण लिहू शकतो ई इंटू एल बार प्लस एफ ऑफ एल एम बार प्लस एम एल बार प्लस जी एम बार इज इक्वल्स टू 0. Hence the proof. Hence the complete proof. Okay. Next theorem. Theorem is if L bar comma M bar are the direction coefficient of a line which makes an angle is pi by 2 with the line whose direction coefficient are Lm, then prove that L bar is equals to this and M bar is equals to this. So this is the theorem statement. या theorem मध्ये आपल्याला फक्त एकच डायरेक्शन कोएफिशिएंट दिलेले आहेत, दॅट इज L bar and M bar, and angle दिलेला आहे theta is equals to pi by 2. Then prove that L bar is equals to minus 1 by h of FL plus GM and M bar is equals to 1 by h EL plus FM. So let's start a proof. Proof is let's consider if LM and L dash M dash are the two direction at a point on the surface, then by the previous theorem, then by the theorem 1 means previous theorem, we have studied cos theta is equals to this and sin theta is equals to this. आपण मागच्या theorem मध्ये हे दोन्ही प्रूफ केले आहेत. we have cos theta is equals to L bar plus f of L into M bar plus L bar into M plus G M into M bar. So this is equation 1, and I have studied in previous theorem sin theta is equals to h of L M bar minus L bar M. So this is equation 2. when जर theta is equals to pi by 2 आपण सबस्टिट्यूट केलं तर we have from equation 1. So we have from equation 1 substitute theta is equals to pi by 2, then cos theta is equals to 0 means cos theta is equals to 0 means theta is equals to pi by 2. So what we get? Then equation 1 implies E L bar plus f of L M bar plus M L bar plus G M into M bar is equals to 0. So expand it, E into L into M L bar plus F ने या ब्रॅकेटले मल्टिप्लाय करून देऊ F into L into M bar plus F into M into L bar L dash dash plus G into M dash is equals to 0. Next step, in this two term L dash is common, so EL plus FM, again plus in both two term M bar is common, so FL plus GM is equals to 0. Then above equation is satisfied for L bar, means याला आपण इकडे घेऊन आलो लेफ्ट हँड साईडला, तर काय मिळणार L dash is equals to minus alpha and as it is term FL plus GM, where alpha means what? Where alpha is equals to remaining this term. Okay, so L dash is equals to minus alpha FL plus GM and M dash is equals to alpha EL plus FM, and in this term we have what is the values of alpha? Alpha is this term. Okay, and this is equation 3. So we shall find the values of alpha with the help of equation 2. This help of equation 2 we have find the values of alpha when theta is equals to pi by 2. So theta is equals to pi by 2. Put the values of theta is equals to pi by 2 in equation 2. So the sine pi by 2 is a 1. Okay. Then this term h of L into m bar m dash minus L dash m is equals to 1. 1 is the value of sine pi by 2. So this is equation 4. So using equation 3, in equation 4 we obtain, so put the values of, so using equation 3 in 4 we obtain HL is common and put the values of m dash. This is the value of m dash. So substitute here HL in bracket alpha of EL plus FM plus in H multiply by H and M is common, so HM, and put the values of alpha dash. So alpha dash is minus alpha and this minus is again plus. Then value of L dash means alpha of FL plus GM. So alpha of FL plus GM is equals to 1. Okay. So which gives 1 by alpha is equals to H of this term. नेक्स्ट या दोन्ही ब्रॅकेटला आपण एक्सपांड केलं आणि व्हॅल्यू भेटली आपल्याला 1 बाय अल्फाची. सो 1 बाय अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू एच ऑफ ई एल स्क्वेअर प्लस 2 टाइम्स एफ एम एल एल एफ एम 2f एफ एम एल प्लस जी एम स्क्वेअर. सो इक्वेशन 5, सिन्स एल एम आर द डायरेक्शन कोएफिशियंट, देन एल एम जर डायरेक्शन कोएफिशियंट असेल तर आपण लिहू शकतो की ई एल स्क्वेअर प्लस 2f एम एल प्लस जी एम स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू 1. जर ही व्हॅल्यू 1 असेल तर सो इक्वेशन 1मध्ये आपण अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय एच सबस्टिट्यूट करू शकतो. दिस ब्रॅकेट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 1. सो using this value of alpha in equation 3 we get L dash is equals to minus 1 by h of FL plus GM and M dash is equals to 1 by h EL plus FM. हे कसं आलं समजलं का? म्हणजे या इक्वेशनवरून सो अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 बाय एच मीन्स h is equals to 1 by alpha. From equation 3 the values of alpha is h is equals to 1 by alpha. The values of alpha is minus of L bar L dash upon FL plus GM. Okay, so h is equals to minus of FL plus GM upon L dash. Then L dash is equals to minus 1 by h FL plus GM. This is a L dash, and the values of M dash means alpha is equals to 1 by h implies h is equals to 1 by alpha, and again the values of alpha is M dash upon EL plus FM. Then again h is equals to EL plus FM upon M dash. Then therefore M dash is equals to 1 by h, and this term is as it is. Hence the proof.